Hey, okay, so I literally just got back from grabbing coffee and I figured let's just, hop on and do this. So, for the people who are new here, I've been messing around with crypto mining for a few years now. Like, it started as just a side curiosity and then kind of just took over. You know how that goes. And these days, I basically spend a weird amount of my time just digging through different platforms and apps, figuring out what's actually doing what it claims to do. And the honest vibe out there right now is just not great, if I'm being real. Like, you open up Google, you go on YouTube, you scroll Reddit, you poke around any crypto forum, and it's just, wall-to-wall nonsense for the most part. Like, genuinely, most of what's being pushed at people right now is just crafted to separate you from your money. So heads up on that. Anyway, so this app called solidhash has been on my radar for the past couple months, been quietly running it through some tests, and today I just want to show you how the whole thing actually works, live. Nothing fancy, just, walking through it. Okay, so tapping start mining now right here. Good. Okay, so now it's asking me to pick a coin. I'm going with Ethereum, and just so you know, this platform's got the whole lineup available. Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, Ripple, pretty much anything you'd want to run. Okay, so continue with ETH here. Nice. So now I need my wallet address in this field. Let me just swing over to my wallet. Okay, grabbing that address and flipping back here, pasting it in. Good. Okay, so next up, we've got hash rate, power, and mining speed mode right here. So, okay, the simplest way I can put it, these two basically decide how much computing power gets assigned to your session and how fast the whole operation moves. So just dial it in to whatever feels right for your situation. So now I'm punching in my mining target right here. This is basically showing you your goal amount and roughly how long you're looking at to get there. Okay, looking good. Hitting start mining, and nice. Okay, we're running. All the live data is right here on the screen, so let's just, give it a few minutes.
And great, I've successfully mined my tokens, so now ready to transfer it to my wallet. But key thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here, so here's the power consumption, here are the computing clusters that handled the job, plus the pool fee and network transaction costs. Okay, I'm copying this payment address, just one moment. Good, then clicking I've sent the payment and just waiting for the system to verify everything. Good, funds sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my balance. Okay, so all right, so while we're waiting, I want to talk about something because honestly, some of this comes from me just, making dumb mistakes that cost real crypto. So the thing that I now do religiously before touching any new platform, I go straight to a block explorer and look for actual on-chain activity tied to them. And one thing I always do now that I didn't used to, I look for actual company registration docs, like a real business name, a real address, real people attached to the operation. Because a pretty website and a chat widget with zero names behind it is just, that's a ghost. So if you can't find a paper trail, just keep it moving. Okay, so look, I know this was a lot, but I'd rather you sit through 10 minutes of this than lose money you didn't have to lose. If you've got questions about anything I showed today, just drop them below. I genuinely check the comments and I'll get back to you. And if SolidHash looks interesting to you, links in the description and pinned up top in the comments. All right, that's me done for today. Thanks for watching.